Hello everyone, my name is Gloria García and I'll be presenting my poster with title Pestivirus Exposure in Pyrenean chamois in Aragon Pyrenees, a long-term monitoring. The first recognized outbreak of an unreported disease affecting Pyrenean chamois occurred in 2001 in the Eastern Pyrenees in Spain and was linked to Pestivirus ovis, formerly named Border Disease Virus. In the subsequent years, the disease spread westward with high mortality and was detected in the Aragon region in 2011. This is why the aim of this study was to conduct a long-term survey to assess pestivirus exposure in Pyrenean chamois in Aragon Pyrenees. Tissue samples were tested using a commercial sandwich ELISA and immunohistochemistry, and sera were analyzed for antibodies using a commercial competitive ELISA. Moving on to the results, in Figure 1 we can observe the spatiotemporal progression of the disease across mountain ranges in different years, 2011, 2013, and 2025. Between 2002 and 2010, before the outbreak, all animals tested were antigen negative. In contrast, between 2011 and 2025, 3,662 animals were analyzed, with 4% testing positive, 1% of hunted animals, and an overall of 30.3% of sick animals. Additionally, serum samples collected between 2000 and 2024 showed an overall antibody prevalence of 16.8%, ranging from 23% in affected mountain ranges and 2.8% in non-affected ones. In Figure 4, we can observe the temporal trend of Pyrenean chamois population. Total population numbers range from 13,125 in 2011 to 11,843 in 2025, with an average annual growth rate of 0.15%. We can observe a decline in the population in the years following the outbreak. Coming back to the maps, 8 out of 17 monitored mountain regions were affected, and outbreaks lasted 2 to 4 years per mountain range, with occasional isolated cases. Between 2016 and 2024, no outbreaks were confirmed, only sporadic cases in previously affected areas. However, in 2025, a sudden increase in positive cases in one mountain range suggested a possible reactivation. As a conclusion, we can say that long-term sanitary and demographic monitoring has been key to detecting pestivirus circulation, assessing its spatial and temporal impact, and linking it to population declines in affected areas.